Hi, welcome to Springer's Ventures, coming to you from Coquina Coast Brewing Company in Flagler Beach. Been wanting to check this one out for a while, so we're up down here for Biketoberfest. We figured we'd check it out. See how they have. It looks like they have about 7 or 8 different types of styles of beers, so gonna go in there and let's go check them out and see how they are.
So we decided we'd start off with a flight. I got the cream ale, we got the Pilsner, we got the Oktoberfest, and we got a stout. All 4 of them very good. I really like that Oktoberfest. So decided to do a little walk around, shows the beers up on the wall that they had. This was as of October 6, 2021. Those are the ones they had up there for that particular day. It's a small place, but really nice. Very, very clean. Real cool little spot there. The 2 owners actually made the bar. They made the tables and everything out of wood that they got and milled down themselves. So I thought that was really pretty cool. The beer, we said we really enjoyed the beer. We went back and after we had our flight, we decided on an Oktoberfest, and my wife decided to go for the IPA. She took a sample of that and she goes, "Wow, that was really good." So we decided on those 2, and we actually went back and got another Oktoberfest and then another one. So the Oktoberfest was really good. We really enjoyed that. So, but a really nice little spot up on the wall. You see these pictures here. That was thought that was really nice. That's actually from local artists, and they had it up there for sale. So they actually had some local artists. So if you head that way, swing by. Curtis and Sean are the owners. Those are the guys you've seen in there, and really nice. And I think you'll really enjoy it. So as usual, thanks for tooling around, and we'll see you out on the road.